Brooks from Drag Times here. We got an awesome race today. We got McLaren 720S versus Dodge Demon. Demon is set up in street mode, got the normal tires on, but the OEM drag radials, regular pump gas, regular ECU, and the seats are in the car. So this is how you would roll up on a Demon down the street every day. We're gonna give it a try against a McLaren 720S with 710 horsepower, as McLaren says. Dyno's about 690. I've seen the Demons making around 775 to the wheels, and maybe a little less when you're running on the pump gas. Obviously the McLaren's a lot lighter, so it should be interesting to see. Dodge claims 9.6 in the quarter mile and 140 miles an hour. We haven't seen that yet, but obviously you have to have perfect conditions for that. With the regular pump gas, we're seeing anywhere in the mid 130s in the quarter mile. McLaren's actually going quite a bit quicker, so it'll be interesting to see. A lot of people are asking for this race, so here it is. McLaren 720S and Dodge Demon. Let's see how it goes. All right, so we have the OEM drag radials that come with the Demon, and you can even see we got the little Demon logo right here. Plenty of tread on here. He had no trouble hooking on the way here. We did a couple test hits in the McLaren 720S. Also, you can see right here, all the tire rubber from those Hoosiers is still actually on the car. Car hasn't even been washed since the race. So there's all that which came off and made this car spin uncontrollably. What color is this?
F8 green.
F8 green, looks amazing. I don't think I've seen one of these like this. Everyone's getting red and orange. So there we go, we got the Demon motor, we got the K&N intake there. 840 horsepower, but I think it's about 800 without the race gas tune, is that right?
It's 808.
Right.
Without the tune, drag mode.
There we go. So we got 808 horsepower because we don't have race gas in, and it's just got the regular ECU. Now when he gets the crate back in, maybe we'll do some more runs when he can fill it up with some race gas and put the tune in as well.
the guy's room. They're giving rooms.
Ah, okay. Oh shit, fuel's coming.
All right, so there you go. You got McLaren 720S versus Dodge Demon with the street settings. The McLaren's really fast. What can I say? I love the Dodge Demon, but man, this McLaren just is unbelievably fast. Even with the race gas and the race tune, Demon's just not going to be able to cut it against the McLaren. But you know, they're really not competitors. Nonetheless, everyone's asking for the McLaren Demon race, so you saw it here from a roll. Did it a couple times. It was awesome. Next up, we got back here, we got Dodge Demon and Hellcat. Part 3 of this event, we're gonna set up a roll race between the Hellcat and the Demon. Let's see just how much faster in all pump gas that Demon really is with the extra 100 horsepower, 808 horsepower and 707 horsepower in the Hellcat. There you go. Thanks for watching. Demon versus McLaren 720S. Subscribe, and we'll get you some more videos soon.